Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with Me in the Kitchen Space. In today's episode, I'm back with a snack that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. So with me, I have my ingredients, and from this corner, I have my homemade yogurt. I made this in yesterday's episode. You can check that out. I have some peanuts that I roasted, and you can also check out the recipe of this. I have a banana, and finally, I have a mango, and you can also use any other fruits that you prefer. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off by prepping our fruits, and I'm just going to slice this into smaller pieces. Then on this other side, I'll slice my mango into relatively smaller pieces as well. Then finally, we are going to assemble this, and I'll start by adding my yogurt. Just look at this goodness over here. I'm going to add my mangoes. Then on this other side, I'll add in my bananas. Then finally hapa katikati, I'll go in with my peanuts and add as much as it possibly can. And finally, as you see, it's that simple, and this is what you have, a very rich and healthy bowl of everything. So my favorite part is hapa katikati, the peanuts and the yogurt. This is really slapping. I've been having this since morning. Wow. Wow. This is really slapping. Wow. This is a snack that you'll definitely enjoy. I hope you get to give this a try, because this is really slapping, and this is just the thing you should be having today. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.